Welcome back. Day 17 in the garage, 30 days in the garage, 30 videos, 30 days, day 17, like I said. Yesterday, we finally took this thing for a ride. It was awesome. Today, I'm gonna try to figure out why the starter motor sounds really whack, like very busted. Oops. Didn't mean to start it up, it just runs so good. Come with me on a journey while I figure out why that starter motor is making that noise. First thing I gotta do to get the starter motor off is take off this side of the engine case, I think. There's also a cover covering the starter motor up top. I'm gonna have to drain the oil too, so I'll just get that done with real quick. While the oil is draining, I'm gonna start working on this side cover. I'm just gonna pry it a little bit, just a hair. Okay, starter motor situation is right here. I'm gonna just turn the starter motor over a hair and see where this noise is coming from. Hopefully it doesn't start. Kind of sounds to me like there's screeching coming from the motor itself. Let's see if it makes noise now. Okay, well, it's definitely something here and nothing over here. I guess the next step would be to take the cover off the starter motor and see about taking that out. Okay, here's a bracket holding it in, and it's held in by 2 screws in the back. I think what I'm gonna do is pull the starter motor out and then plug it in and try to turn it over and see if maybe it's just got some bearings going bad in the motor itself. Because I don't think this bearing is going bad. It seems like it's a bearing inside the motor. And it looks like I didn't have to take the engine case off at all this whole time, so, lol. Oh man, I have to take the carburetors off to get to this. Oh no, that just stripped. I just stripped that right out. Well guys, today was a short one. What I'm realizing now is I'm gonna have to take the tank and the carburetors back off so I can get to the mounting screws for the starter motor. So, what did we find out today? What did we learn? So I think there's some bearings going bad in the starter motor. Tomorrow, I'll take the tank off and the carburetors so I can get the mounting brackets off for the starter motor, pull that out, turn that thing over by itself and see if the bearings in there are making that noise. And if they are, then I'll pull the motor apart, see what I can do. So thanks for sticking around, guys. It's a short one, I know, but sometimes you can only have time to do some things you have time for. See you tomorrow.